Welcome to this NWO MVI Conference Connecting Practices. Today we will discuss the added value of the MVI approach for society and practices, the connection and dialogue between science, business and society.
I'm glad there are so many stakeholders here at the table.
It's important that we learn how to cooperate because we want to address the big societal challenges, and this is what is needed.
I'm here at this conference because it's a unique opportunity to exchange both with science, with companies and with government on the challenges that we face as a society in technology development and how technology development will impact our future today.
I have been sitting in all of the three groups. The workshop today is about showing a couple of showcases on energy transition problems in the MVI problem. We are sharing our insights from researchers with industry and vice versa.
In this workshop, I think we got some insight in the different perspectives of societal relevance of smart mobility innovations, autonomous driving in this particular case. We looked at different stakeholders and their different perspectives on this matter, and also the interaction between these different stakeholders. So I think we got a pretty good idea of how complex these problems are, but also how you can evaluate the contribution, involvement of the various stakeholders.
We got a lot of information and ideas, suggestions that conflicts is maybe not the problem. Maybe conflicts are part of the solution.
So enabling is something which came out of the answers a lot. Enabling can be by building on processes which are already there, but it's also about enabling people.
It was a really important event, a lot about networking, a lot about learning, but also really about having concrete tools and approaches to take this further now.
The conference is important because MVI is about connecting innovation on the one hand with what society can and will do with it. People who research in this field generally do that on the basis of specific examples, and in that way they explore the field as a whole. But what you see in a conference like this is that here all those parts come together. People can communicate about it, and therefore here they form, out of all these fragments, they create a complete picture of where we are right now in our thinking about MVI.
So just to close, if we can do better by innovation tomorrow, we have an obligation to innovate today. Let's do this together. Thank you very much.